Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will show you how you can go ahead and delete account bio history on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, let's go ahead open our Instagram account. Once your Instagram account is open, you will be able to see this kind of interface over here, right? First of all, go to your profile icon below, tap on three horizontal line, go to your activity over here. You can see all of the activities that you, and once you're in your activity section, go ahead, tap on this option called account history over here. This will open this particular interface where you can see all of the settings or the editing that you have done, all of the things that you have done so far. So let's go ahead, tap on this update type over here and change it to bio, apply. And over here you will be able to see all of the bio editing history that you have done so far. So if you would like to delete a particular one, tap on that, and even if you do that, you won't be able to find any option where you have the delete or remove option given. So technically you cannot practically remove or delete all of your history of bio. For that purpose, the only option that you have available is either removing or deleting your Instagram account on whole, which includes all of Instagram account's history, and creating a new one. Other than that, you do not have a history clearing option in your bio. So yes guys, unfortunately this is it, and I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.